Originating in the Italian Renaissance courts of the 15th century, ballet was a dance interpretation of fencing. It was an elaborate, courtly spectacle designed to display the elegance and grandeur of the royal court. The word ballet comes from the Italian ballare, which means to dance. As the 16th century dawned, the French caught on to this Italian spectacle. Catherine de' Medici, an Italian noblewoman and the Queen of France, played a key role in promoting and structuring ballet in France. She introduced the ballet de cour, a form that mixed dance with speech, music, verse, and set design. The 17th century saw the establishment of the Académie Royale de Musique et de Danse in France, where ballet was formalized and codified under the watchful eye of King Louis XIV himself, a keen dancer. This period also brought the 5 positions of the feet in ballet, which form the foundation of the technique. In the 18th century, ballet leapt beyond the royal courts and onto the stage. The focus shifted from group performances to spotlighting individual skills. Ballet d'action, a form where dance replaced words, became popular. The era of Romantic Ballet dawned in the 19th century, with ballerinas reigning supreme. They were ethereal, weightless, and wore long flowing tutus and pointy shoes, allowing them to dance on their toes. The 20th century brought a dramatic transformation. Ballet spread across the world, with Russia taking the lead. The Ballet Russes, established by Sergei Diaghilev, revolutionized ballet with its innovative collaborations between choreographers, composers, and artists. In the mid-20th century, American choreographer George Balanchine created neoclassical ballet, bringing a new dynamic approach. He believed in the philosophy of see the music, hear the dance, making the dance itself the foremost expressive element. In the 21st century, ballet continues to evolve, blending with contemporary dance styles and broadening its artistic boundaries. It's a diverse, inclusive art form, breaking away from rigid stereotypes and inviting everyone to partake in its beauty. In summary, ballet, born in the 15th century Italian courts, has journeyed through time, adapting to changing tastes and cultures. From the courtly spectacles of the French Renaissance, through the Romantic era's ethereal ballerinas, to the dynamic, expressive ballet of the 21st century, this dance form has remained a timeless symbol of grace, beauty, and technical prowess. This journey of ballet, its evolution and transformation, is a testament to the enduring power and allure of this exquisite art form. A dance that speaks a universal language, ballet continues to weave stories of emotion, passion, and the human spirit one step at a time.